So my friends, I am creating something really special. First time we are making modern Irish lace blanket. So this is really huge work. We have here 2 meters length and also almost 1.5. This will be this size, yes. So we have here fabric pattern, and I created special lines by using sewing machine and yellow sewing thread. Also, I made zigzag around this fabric, and how it will be, yes, we will create symmetrical design by using Irish lace, modern Irish lace motifs. We will use white Italian viscose. This will be really special project for a special house, and it was really big and interesting challenge, and for this moment I am very happy with the result. This is for my new client, for my new student from Luxembourg, and I will send this package very soon. Looking to learn the